We had an interesting summer growing strawberries and tomatoes. There was a family of about six squirrels. They got to the strawberries before us. So I researched how to keep the squirrels away from the tomatoes and strawberries and found out three useful ways. The first method was bamboo wind chime. The noise from the wind chime as the squirrels got onto the tomato frames startled them, scared them, and chased them away. So if you have a bamboo wind chime or any wind chime, the idea is to make that sudden noise as the squirrel get closer to the tomatoes that will surprise them, scare them, and chase them away. The second method was very effective in keeping the squirrels away from the strawberries. We had the fruit shopping bag. I thought I should cover the strawberries with them. It was very effective in keeping the squirrels away. If you have a big bag, you could cover the whole pot with it. The shopping bag that I was using wasn't that big, so I put two bunches of strawberry into one bag and tied together. The strawberry remain in pretty good condition until they ripen. I used this idea for the first time, but it worked perfectly. So if you have a netted fruit bag like this, you could use it to protect the strawberries from squirrels. The third method was even better, garden netting. You could build a netting in different ways, but if you have lots of bamboos, you could build a nicely arched garden netting like this for your strawberries and tomatoes and keep the squirrels away. Here is a video of how I built this garden netting. This is a garden project that I did to protect the strawberries from squirrels and pigeons. I am using bamboo sticks to build the main frame and throw the netting over it. The main material is bamboo, and I'm using what I find around the house, like a rubber hose and the mesh wire. So all in all, it worked out perfectly. I have a strong sidewall netting over the top. That is a simple idea, but it works every time. In fact, the bamboo sticks, especially the new bamboo sticks, are perfect for building arch shapes like this because they can easily bend to form an arch shape over the top or put into the mesh wire and make sure they are firm and strong. You can move them around, you can make them fit into a space. All in all, bamboo sticks are fantastic materials to have, especially in the garden. You can use them to make netting like this. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to Garden Bamboo Plants. These are three effective ways of keeping squirrels away from your tomato and strawberry plants.